everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to delete your Outlier AI account. So guys, this is two ways to delete your account. The first step, you need to log in your account on your web, log in your account from here. And after that guys, using your account, when to delete, open your profile screen on the top right corner and click the more, and then click request delete my account and submit request. And you can send email to this one, as you can see here guys, delete me Arabaz Outlier, this email use, and then I write your subject, delete my account, as you can see here on the screen. Right here, select your subject and write your email, want to delete account, your associate email, and write your description here for the contact support, and click submit here, and you can drag your uploaded here, and you will delete your account associated with Google successfully without any problem. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you in another video soon.